In our modern world, the importance of credit scores can't be overemphasized. A high credit score will open the door to endless financial opportunities, allowing individuals access to lower interest rates, greater credit limits, and a myriad of kinds of loans. It could also improve the chances of getting a job, lease agreements, rental agreements, as well as insurance policies. Knowing the value of a strong credit score is essential to managing the financial world. Definition and purpose of credit scores. Credit scores are a numerical representation of a person's creditworthiness. They are calculated on the various aspects of an individual's credit history, and assist lenders to evaluate the likelihood in lending money to these individuals. Credit scores usually vary from 300 to 800, and higher scores indicate less risk to credit and more creditworthiness. Factors that affect credit scores. Many factors influence the calculation of scores for credit. Knowing these aspects will help people control their credit well and increase their score. Credit history. The most important aspect is a person's payment history. Regularly paying on time for credit obligations can help build an excellent credit score. Credit utilization. The quantity of credit used compared to the credit limit available, which is also known as credit usage, is also vital. A low credit utilization rate is a sign of an ethical approach to managing credit. The length of credit history, the amount of time a person has been a credit card holder, affects his credit score. A longer credit history generally indicates the more trustworthy borrower. The types of credit that are used, a variety of different credit cards, including mortgages, credit cards and loans, may improve the credit score. It indicates a person's ability to manage different kinds of credit. The new credit applications. Frequently or concurrent credit applications could adversely affect credit scores. It could signal financial instability or a need to get credit. Benefits of a good credit score. Credit score that is good can unlock numerous advantages and financial opportunities that significantly enhance the overall financial health of an individual. Access to lower interest rates. If you have a credit score that is high, is a way to get lower interest rates on a variety of credit products like mortgages, loans, as well as credit cards. This could save them an enormous amount of money in the long run and lead to more affordable borrowing. Qualification for higher credit limits. A high credit score allows people to get higher credit limits. This gives them more purchasing ability and flexibility while maintaining a healthy utilization ratio. Approval for various types of loans. A high credit score improves the likelihood of getting approval for different kinds of loans, such as auto loans, personal loans, as well as business loans. Creditors are more inclined to provide credit to those who have a track record of a responsible approach to borrowing. Enhanced employment opportunities. Certain employers conduct credit checks in the process of hiring, especially when it comes to jobs that require financial responsibility or access to resources of the company. A high credit score could boost a person's job prospects by signaling the financial responsibility and credibility. Easier rental or lease agreements. Property managers and landlords frequently examine credit scores when looking at prospective tenants. A credit score that is high makes it simpler to secure lease or rental agreements, since it demonstrates an individual's capacity to pay their financial obligations. Enhanced insurance terms and premiums. Insurance companies take into account credit scores when deciding on the policy's terms and premiums. Credit scores that are high will benefit from improved conditions for their insurance and less prices, and can save substantial money over time. Leveraging a good credit score for financial opportunities. A credit score that is good can be leveraged to take advantage of amazing financial opportunities that might otherwise be unattainable. Buying a home. Mortgage interest rates and loans. A credit score of good quality is vital when applying for the mortgage loan. It affects the interest rates that lenders offer. If you have a credit score that is high, people can get higher rates on interest, resulting in significant savings over the course of the loan. Federally backed loan programs. These programs like FHA loan, VA loans and USDA loans are typically more affordable for people who have good credit scores. These programs offer opportunities for homeownership that would otherwise be impossible to obtain. Finance options available. With a high credit score, people have access to a wider range of financing options. These include conventional loans, adjustable rate mortgages and the jumbo loan. This allows them to select the type of financing which best meets their needs. starting a business or expanding an existing one. The ability to access business loan funds. Entrepreneurs who have high ratings on credit tend to obtain business loans to begin or expand their businesses. The lenders view credit scores with good marks as an indicator that they are more likely to being able to repay. Better terms for business financing. A credit score that is high can help negotiate terms and allow the borrowers to get better conditions and rates of interest for financing their businesses. This could help cut the cost of borrowing and improve profitability. Pursuing higher education. The eligibility criteria for student loans. Credit scores with good credit score improve the chances of getting student loans, federal as well as private. Finding loans with attractive rates of interest and repayment options could significantly reduce the burden of financing the cost of education. Grants and scholarships. Certain grant and scholarships take into consideration the credit score when granting the funds. A high credit score can help applicants stand out to be considered for such opportunities. And open doors to financial aid. Upgrading vehicles or purchasing luxury items. Eligibility for auto loans. Creditworthy individuals with high scores may be eligible for auto loans that offer better rates of interest and loan terms. This lets them upgrade their vehicle or purchase luxury things while ensuring affordable monthly payment. Finding favorable financing terms. Credit scores that are good can provide buyers with leverage when it comes to obtaining favorable financing terms for major purchases. This could result in the purchase of more economically priced expensive items or assets of high value.